Let us solve this Nestle equation. It has double roots. To solving it, you first of all deal with the first root, then the second one, then you can solve it. So let's repeat the equation. This is fourth root of 2 of root of lambda equals to 1/2. So you take the fourth root of both sides. This one to the power 4. That means this 4 will do with this one. So the left hand side now will become 2 root lambda equals to 1 over 2 to the power 4. That means 2 root lambda equals to 1 over 16. So let us free this lambda. So divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So this and this will go. So root of lambda will be equals to 1 over 16 multiplied by 1 over 2. When you change the sign, you reverse the fraction. So root of lambda will be equals to 1 over 32. So yet we still have root here. So you now square both sides so that you can draw the roots. So this and this will go. So lambda will be equals to 1 over 32 all square. Therefore, lambda will be equals to the reciprocal of 1 over 32 is 10,1024. 4. And that is the answer. Thank you very much for being here. All right.